Hi guys, welcome back to Body Tech. Alright, this is the beast itself. Look at this. Audi latest RX6 Avant, which is the estate model. This is the C7. C7 generation. Let's look at the specs of this car before we proceed further. This is an Audi RS6 Avant 4.0 TFSI Quattro 8-speed automatic, 600 horsepower. Okay, look at how much it's selling in Singapore. 638,573 Singapore dollars. Fuel consumption is at 13.2 liter per 100 km. This is a bit on the high side. This later model looks really fierce as well. Oh, look at the hexagon grille. It's so nice to go with the RX6 Audi logo. There's something a little bit different. Okay, the side grille with the sensor. Oh, it's not an S coupe. The LED headlight. It's very modern. Oh, look at this alloys, rims. I like it. It's really very modern, trendy, really sporty. Oh, what's the size of this rim? Let's take a look. It's 22. Oh my god, it's 22 inch. All right. On a sedan estate car, this is huge. Oh, look at this. I mean, this is good enough. You don't need to lower it anymore. You barely can see inside. This is sporty. Brake pad, the RS brake pad. Carbon ceramic brake disc. Let's walk around the whole car. I don't know why. I still don't like estate models. I just prefer a normal sedan. I know it gives space for your boot, much wider boot, that is for sure, yes, but just not that sporty. The rest all looks fantastic. Look at the rear, look at the exhaust pipe. The shape and everything is so nice, so fierce. Yes, I know big boot space, yes, but okay, it's huge. Yes, I know, but not many people can accept a estate car. Okay. I find the rest, this one can be a bit more fierce. Okay, the body kit can be more fierce type. Okay, let's look at the interior. You're welcome with very nice leather smell throughout the car. This is Alcantara. The rest are all leather, full leather. Very nice actually. The combination of the colors is very nice as well. Spacious, definitely. It's like a normal sedan car. RS, it's full leather. Okay, let's try the sitting. Nice and spacious, plenty of space. Okay. Let's move this a bit in front. Okay. It's not the quietest when you're inside, alright? I'll give it maybe a 7 out of 10. Okay. Okay, RS model, RS here, RS modes. Okay, steering wheel, full leather. Yes, full leather. Dashboard. Okay. Huge display. Quattro. Dashboard, full leather as well. This one comes with sunroof in the front and the back as well. It's not moonroof, so it's not stretched all the way. So it's 2 sunroof, front and back. Good. Okay, leather seat, passenger side. Totally the same. Cup holder, 2. Cigarettes. Okay. This is another display as well. Okay. This is an automatic version. Wireless charging. Okay, but this compartment is not that large. Okay. As compared to other sedans. Okay. Glove box, let's take a look. Just normal, decent size. Aircon van. Okay. Let's take a look at the second row. The seat is quite low actually. It's comfortable sitting inside. There's the pedal. Not to miss out the RS6. The door entrance. Okay. Sunshades. Privacy. Full leather as well. Very nice touch and feel. Spacious. 3-person can comfortable sit behind. 3 adults. It's a 5-seater car. Okay. How about the leg space? Oh, good. Nice, comfortable at the back. Okay. AC, aircon at the back, 2. Aircon control, 2 USB-C, 1 cigarette hole. Aircon at the side as well. Lights for the second row. This is the sunroof for the second row. Okay. It's very comfortable sitting at the back. Yeah, when you lay it, when you sit down, it's extremely comfortable. Nice space here for a head as to compare to all the other sports car. This is wide enough for even taller people. I'm 170. Even you're 1.9, I think you're fine as well. Alright. View from the top. This is the top of the car. To sum it up, definitely all of you all know this car has been around for a long time. This is the latest version, the C7 RX6 Avant. Good for daily, alright, comfortable for daily drive as a family sedan, yet so powerful as well. Legendary cars. Okay. Thank you for watching. Remember to click the subscribe button and click the like button. It's totally free.